Hello guys, so in today's video we will see how to install Anaconda on Windows platform. So let's get started. First you have to go to anaconda.com. Over here you have to click on Get Started and then download Anaconda installer. Over here, based on the platform, we will choose 64-bit graphical installer. Once the download completed, open and run the exe file. At the beginning of install, you need to click on Next to confirm the installation. Then agree to the license. Then here you have to select the installation type. I will leave it as default. Then click on Next. Here you need to choose the installation location. As you can see over here, the installation of Anaconda requires 2.7 GB. So make sure that you have enough space for that. Then click on Next. At the advanced installation option screen, I recommend you that do not check Add Anaconda to my path environment variable. You simply click on Register Anaconda as my default. And this pop-up, click OK and then click on Install. After the installation of Anaconda is complete, you need to click on Next. You can also work with Python with the help of PyCharm Pro, which is designed used with Anaconda. Then click on Next and then Finish. After the installation of Anaconda is complete, you can go to Windows Startup menu and select Anaconda prompt. Type Python and hit enter. The Python command start the Python interpreter, also called as Python REPL. Now you can type Python commands. Let's type import this and hit enter. Okay, you should see Zen of Python by Tim Peters. To close the Python interpreter, type exit. And to close the Anaconda prompt, you can simply type exit. Thank you for watching.